I've never told anyone about this. I was scared. I still am because it's you. But you deserve to see me for who I am. No, for what I am.
You're you.
Close your eyes. Please, Hana. Keep them shut.
I'm looking, okay?
Look at me. Hana, tell me what you see.
He told her that changing under the full moon and attacking people were the stuff of dusty myths and bad movies. My mother knew the world was full of mysteries, but his heart wasn't one of them.
Were you shocked? Are you leaving me? You're trembling. Are you scared?
No, I'm not. Because it's you.
Her beloved, my father, was a descendant of the Honshu wolf, which went extinct about 100 years ago. He was the only one left who carried both wolf and human blood in his veins. Dad's parents died when he was just a boy, but before they did, they taught him the history of their kind and implored him never to reveal his true nature to anyone. After that, he lived with relatives who never would have accepted him if they had known his secret. When he was old enough to get a driver's license, he left for the city and never looked back. He found a job, and he kept to himself. Dad had made his peace with a life spent alone, until he met her.